One-time financial aid of Rs 25,000 under Indira Miri Universal Widow Pension Scheme was distributed at Dipu. KRAA Borjan Zone submitted a memorandum to Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on 20th September. 4 athletes from Karbi Anglong bagged medals at National Deadlift Championship held in Chennai.
Amar Jivan adawai kinangji atumaphan isi birta kemi. Bangso adawai non ke Karbi Anglong pen West Karbi Anglong along setami longpon ikji. Lapenan parta nanglina hok damde hem totlun pen nangli hem an nangke pathon kok mate home delivery our size setami do ikji. Lapen isi alam ning chibi ikha nangli surihinira pharu plia tangka chepadampen cheklojon plia pharman Amar Jivan adawai long ikji. Lasi humri ignod Amar Jivan.
Pangken bortoman la Amar Jivan adawai chendon pen Jolari kengi suka iri kengi suka timi kerja hai bang sab ini pun mom pasar TV jen mage kalau siapa non jen sulut.
Clardak pen kachini jiapan troxy highway hini drop ho highway troxy nerkapalong humri iknon.
Good morning viewers and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. On 20th of September, Government of Assam under the scheme of Indira Miri Universal Widow Pension Scheme IMUWPS distributed a check of Rs 25,000 to the beneficiaries of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. Likewise, District Rural Development Agency DRDA Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council initiated the check distribution of one-time financial assistance to the beneficiaries from West Karbi Anglong and Karbi Anglong district at Dipu Club on 20th September. In this program, as many as 574 widows were provided with a check amounting Rs 25,000 each. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended as the chief guest of the event. While delivering his speech, he informed that the government of Assam had provided this one-time financial assistance to widows to be of use wherever in need. He also informed that to assist the women financially, additional increment of Rs 1,200 in Arunodaya scheme was also made, making a total up to 1,500 per month. This scheme was purposely introduced by the Government of India and Government of Assam to balance, uplift and empower women across the nation and state. Hence, for the first time in history, one-time financial assistance was provided to widows. As many as 1,444 widows from West Karbi Anglong and Karbi Anglong would be benefited from this Indira Miri Universal Widow Pension Scheme IMUWPS.
Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong Mili 1,444 महिला बेला गाजी विधवा महिला बेला करने 25,000 कोड़ी एकालीन हाजत
Horen Singh Bey, MP, Vidya Singh Inglang, MLA, Dibakar Nath, IAS, Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, EMs and MECs and several departmental officials attended the event. Longsodar Ingti's report from Dipu, Karbi Anglong Live. On 20th September, Karbi Rongasar Amai, Borjan Zone submitted a memorandum to Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council through Surja Rongpar, EM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council at HDP. Khai Togbi, President Karbi Rongasar Amai, Borjan Zone, recited the points thoroughly before the final submission of the memorandum was done. Khai Togbi, President KRAA, informed that the main motive behind the formation of Karbi Rongasar Amai is to ensure all-round development and enhance the village to acquire all the essential commodities like good road connectivity, good drinking water, proper electrification, and many more.
Lasi TVDC, mana traditional system, mana traditional village development council. So nol mat pacun da prang nangi Kualam Pensipini, Niltum direct through local MSC, Hois in Niltum CM Pan Karbiang Long, itu ASEM, Lapan se Pinpura Lupilo.
The 73rd Amendment Act 1992 Panchayati Raj system envisages the Gram Sabha as the foundation of the Panchayat Raj system to perform functions and powers entrusted to it by the state legislatures. The amendment provides for a three-tier Panchayat Raj system at the village, intermediate and district levels. Likewise, in 1994, the Assam Panchayat Act was introduced. The Act shall extend to the whole of Assam in rural areas except the district falling under 6th schedule. Later in 1996, Panchayat Extension to Scheduled Areas PESA Act was passed to ensure tribal self-rule for people living in the 6th schedule areas of India. It gives special powers to the Gram Sabhas in scheduled areas, especially for the management of natural resources. But despite having the provision for amending its rule and regulations under PESA Act 1996, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council neglected to frame its rules and regulations till date. Hence, KRAA submitted a memorandum to CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to frame rules and regulations for the Traditional Village Development Council. It was reported that Surja Rongpar, EM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, distinctly clarifies the difference between Panchayat Raj system and Traditional Village Development Council. Also informed that all the funds to develop the village council would be directly allotted from the central government.
Ingrong bangkela hlo dak borjana hawar long amat thongke pra pho lamangso TVDC lamangso proposal ke paliden dulo kulo lasi yung si labangso yung si implemented le purante Ministry of Rural Development na hinpela so tangka nang le ke direct rong asora readings nang lipo labang si iltum kaching thurobar cyclem pon thekpo.
Bijoy Rongpe's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. All India Powerlifting Federation organized National Deadlift Championship from 14 to 18 September at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. 5 athletes from Karbi Anglong had participated at the event in different categories. Out of 5, 4 athletes managed to clinch a medal and brought laurels to Karbi Anglong and Assam. Along with the opportunities, various talents and skills could be seen turning up from the youths of Karbi Anglong in the last few years. Whether it is in the form of fashion, education, culture, music or sports, many youths had participated and represented the district at the state as well as at the national levels. Some even brought laurels by bagging a victory in their respective profession. Likewise, 5 trainees from RSR Gym Depot had stepped out from their comfort zone and participated at the National Deadlift Championship organized by All India Powerlifting Federation from 14 to 18 September at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Out of 5 athletes, 4 of them managed to clinch medal in various categories. Suman Chetri clinched gold medal, Tamhidi Rongpipi clinched silver medal in 69 kg senior category, Basapi Thangchopi clinched silver medal in master 69 kg senior category, and Joshmi Bepi clinched bronze medal. To express their joy and happiness, Vidya Singh Rongpi, owner of RSR Gym, along with trainees and trainers of the RSR Gym, offered a warm welcome to all the 5 athletes at Dipru. Let us hear to what the owner of RSR Gym, Vidya Singh Rongpi, has to say.
আমি ইয়াত হে যোৱা 14 পৰা 19 ছেপ্টেম্বৰত আমাৰ অল ইণ্ডিয়া পাৱাৰ লিফটিং ডেডলিফ্ট কম্পিটিশ্যন হৈছিলে চেন্নাইতে। এইটো হোষ্ট কৰিছে আপোনাৰ তামিলনাডু পাৱাৰ লিফটিং এছ'চিয়েশ্যনে। তো তেতিয়া মানে আমাৰ জিলাখনৰ পৰাও আমাৰ মানে অসমৰ টিমত ছিলেক্ট হৈছে আৰু তেখেতে আমাৰ ইয়াত জিমৰ আৰু আমাৰ জিলাখনৰ নাম কৰিছে। তেখেতে মিছ জস্মি বেপী সি মানে ব্ৰঞ্জ লাভ কৰিছে 59 কেটেগৰী আৰু 57 কেটেগৰী আৰু তেখেতে চিলভাৰ লাভ কৰিছে আপোনাৰ 69 কেটেগৰীত আৰু মাষ্টাৰ কেটেগৰীত আমাৰ এফালে মিছেছ বাসাপি ফাংচপি তেখেতেও চিলভাৰ
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.